Although we do have some print journals in the Stewart Library, most of our journal subscriptions are through online databases. To access these databases, start out by going to the library's homepage, library.weber.edu. From our homepage, click on Article Databases, which can be found in the center Locate Resources menu. This page will give you a couple of different options. At the top of the page, we have a link for Academic Search Premier, which is a good general article database that covers multiple topics. Underneath, there is a list of databases by title. If you know the specific database that you want to use, click on the first letter of the database, and then scroll down the menu until you find that specific database and then click on it to bring it up. If you don't know the database that you want to use, then use the Find Databases by Subject list to find databases that cover your subject. These lists are created by the subject librarians at the Stewart Library to help you find information concerning your specific subject. After clicking on one of these lists, you will notice that there are generally some databases at the top of the page underneath Start Here. These databases are good starting points. In some cases, you will also want to look at the additional databases below. If you are not on the Weber State University campus, you will be prompted to enter your username and password after you select a database. This is the same username and password that you would use for logging into your Weber State email account or Canvas. If you are looking for a specific article, and you know the title of the article, the name of the journal, the publication year, and volume and issue number, then you may want to use the Electronic Journals tool. You can get to the Electronic Journals tool by clicking on Electronic Journals on the library's homepage under Locate Resources. After you select this tool, in the first box, you can type in the title of the journal and search the library to see if we have a copy. In this case, I'm going to search for Wall Street Journal. After typing in the title of the journal into the search box, I hit search. Notice that in my search results, it found 9 different records. If we look down here at the search results, it will tell me the specific name of the periodical, what years are available, and the name of the database that it is in. Also note that this will also let me know if the library has a print copy of this particular source. For instance, the Wall Street Journal Central Edition right here, it says that we have a print copy here in the library. Notice though that we only have articles between 1960 and 2004 available through this edition, so if you're looking for the latest edition, you'll want to use one of these other sources. Clicking on the name of the database will allow me to search the journal, or browse the issues. Please note that every database will work slightly differently when you are browsing periodicals. One last thing, if you can't find a specific article that you are looking for, or if the library doesn't have access to it, don't worry. You can order it using interlibrary loan. In general, it takes between 24 to 48 hours for an article to be delivered electronically using this service. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us here at the Stewart Library by using the Ask a Librarian link in the top corner of our webpage. This will connect you directly to a member of the reference staff here in the library. And as always, thanks for watching.